Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many Android users are complaining that their phone's display or dialer has changed on its own, even though they haven't updated the phone application. So in today's video, I'll explain why this happened and also show you how to bring back the old phone dialer. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you don't need to worry, your phone is not hacked or tampered with. This change happened because of a system update that automatically changed the phone dialer layout. Now the big question, how do you get back the old phone dialer? Here's how. Hold down the phone app icon, then tap on app info. Now tap on clear data at the bottom right corner. Delete both data and cache. So guys, don't worry, your contacts and numbers will stay safe. This app will not be deleted, only its new update settings will be reset. And that's it, your old phone dialer will come back. Just remember, if you update the app again, the new dialer will return. So keep it as it is if you prefer the old one. So guys, that's how simple it is to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.